Today we are making a very simple dish, baby eggplants with potatoes. Very common and very popular in most households, especially in the summertime. Simple and yet easy to make, but totally delicious. For this recipe we are going to need 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, 15 baby eggplants and about 2 medium potatoes. I am also using tandoori masala magic from Queen's Curry Kitchen. I am using a ginger garlic paste which is 1 tablespoon each and few sprigs of curry leaves. I will be using a splash of asafoetida to make this magic happen right here in my Instapot. Whatever I'm doing here, you can always make it in a pot or a pan on top of your stove top. The way to prepare the eggplants is by washing them and cleaning the green tops and then cutting them into an X shape at the bottom, but don't cut them all the way through. And this is how we're going to open them and put the spice blend right through the gashes so that it will be flavored right in the middle and all through when it's cooked properly. I started out by sauteing the ginger and garlic in my pot with some oil and some curry leaves, and I put in the moon-shaped potatoes right in there with salt and turmeric. Now I've added some tomato paste. If you have tomato puree, you can use that as well. Add some garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika powder, salt to taste, and give it a good stir. Now, once the potatoes are well coated with the tomatoes and the spices, we are going to create a comfortable bed for the baby eggplants to rest on. And now we're going to place them one by one right across the pan on top of the potatoes. I have one little one. This little guy is broken, so I'm just going to put him face down right in there. If you don't have the tandoori masala magic from Queen's Curry Kitchen, you can always use a combination of salt, turmeric, paprika and coriander powder to create your own spice blend. However, there's nothing like something that's already been blended and roasted for you. It gives you a ton of flavor in just a few minutes of time, and you don't need any other spices beyond that. Before closing the lid, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of water, and then I will steam it or cook it on manual mode for about 7 minutes in my Instant Pot. If you are doing it on your stove top, you might need to cook it with the cover on for about 12 minutes, and that should give you a nice, delicious eggplant with potatoes. Enjoy! If you have not subscribed to my channel, do that right now. And if you'd like to check out more